and it's already on his table. All he can do is to veto line by line the budget. However, the reality is that time and again, as mentioned, under the Anti-Agricultural Economic Sabotage Act, as well as the Magna Carta for seafarers, time and again it has occurred that the executive has enjoined the legislature to take a second look at their BICAM report when it is unacceptable, perhaps unimplementable, or otherwise requires further study. Pwede naman pakiusapan yan. Maliwanag naman yan eh. At saka, ang hirap kasi sa veto, mauuwi sa zero. Magiging zero. Kung ano man line item na veto, wala naman pupuntahan yan kundi zero. Naka-zero na nga yung PhilHealth, ine-negative 74 billion pa ba? Asang zero na yan. Tapos yung mga 4Ps, nasa 50 billion na tinanggal, isi-zero pa ba natin